Chapter 1 Sentence. In this video, I am going to give the detailed explanation about sentence. That is, what is sentence and its types and kinds of sentences. So, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which gives a complete meaning. So, the definition of sentence is a group of words which gives a full meaning is called a sentence. So whenever we join 3-4 words together to form a complete meaning, then it is called a sentence. And sentence is of two types. Sentence is of two types. One is subject, another one is predicate. So for example, the cat jumps over the wall. So it is a sentence. In this sentence, the cat is the subject of this sentence, and the action done by the cat jumps over the wall. It is the predicate of the sentence. Then let us see about the kinds of sentences. So in kinds of sentences, there are 4 kinds of sentences. First is statement sentence. So statement sentence means it starts with a noun or pronoun. That is what is meaning of noun. Noun means it is a name. For example, he is a good boy. So this he is a pronoun. Similarly, Chitra sings well means this Chitra is a noun. So statement sentence always starts with a noun or pronoun. So second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. So what is interrogative sentence? It is WH questions. So the sentence which starts with why, what, where, when, like that. The question which starts with WH is called as interrogative sentence. That is, it is question. Example, are you sick? So it is a kind of question. So such questions are called as interrogative questions. Or it also sentence which also starts with what, when, why, where, when, how much, how long, how many. So such kinds of sentence are called as interrogative sentences. Then third type of sentence is imperative. Imperative means this kind of sentence denotes a command or request or advice or suggestion. A command, request, advice or suggestion. The sentence which comprises of a command or request or advice or suggestion is called as imperative sentence. For example, shut the door means it is a command. Somebody is asking someone to shut the door. So it is a command. It comes under imperative sentence. Similarly, do your duty. Similarly, you can ask for other examples are please give me a cup of coffee. It comes under request. So such kind of sentences are called as imperative. It can be an advice or suggestion or request or command. Next type of sentence is exclamatory. So this sentence this sentence means it is a reaction or feeling. Exclamatory means the sentence which denotes a reaction or feeling is called as exclamatory sentence. Some examples of exclamatory are sometimes we use oh, ouch, oops. So such kinds of reactions comes under exclamatory. So in this chapter, we saw the detailed explanation about sentence. So what is sentence? A group of words which gives a full meaning is called a sentence. And there are two kinds of two parts in a sentence. One is subject and another one is predicate. Subject means, for example, I have given the cat jumps over the wall. So the cat is the subject of this entire sentence, and the action done by the cat we call it as predicate. And then kinds of sentence. So there are four kinds of sentences. First one is statement sentence. Statement sentence always starts with a noun or pronoun. The example is he is a good boy. He is a pronoun. And Chitra sings well. Chitra is a name of some person. So noun is always the meaning of names. Second type of sentence is interrogative. Interrogative is question sentences. For example, some questions has WH, which starts with why, what, where, when. Again, third kind is imperative. Imperative means command, request, advice, suggestion. So a sentence which denotes command or request or advice or suggestion comes under imperative sentences. For example, shut the door, do your duty. And the fourth kind is exclamatory. It represents the feeling or reaction of somebody or something, as called as exclamatory sentence. Thank you.